Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Mishra. This video tutorial is on teaching aptitude, ability of adaptability. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है जो जिसमें से कि काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस यूजीसी एनटीए नेट के पेपर फर्स्ट में जनरल पेपर में पूछे जाते हैं. Now come to the questions. Number one, when you are invited for feast, then you have the idea that A. Do wastage of food in order to pay the gift of money on the occasion. B. It is an opportunity to take food outside home, therefore enjoy it with whole family. See that families should join such parties on the basis of relations and affinity. They never waste any food particle whenever you are at home or in feast. So correct option is C here, that families should join such parties on the basis of relations and affinity. 2. While you come out of home for some purpose and you are being crossed by a handicapped person, then you think A. About bad omen, B. That all human beings are equal, C. With hatredness, D. That they are incomplete and awkward. Correct option is B. That all human beings are equal. 3. Nowadays, the government has given priority to social welfare schemes. Therefore, it has launched various schemes like age-old pension scheme, widow pension scheme, etc. Your personal opinion towards all these schemes is A. The schemes are fruitful to raise the standard support the economy of backward sections of the society. B. It is a kind of governmental obligation for the weaker sections. C. These schemes deprive the beneficiaries from social sympathy. D. These people live a dignified life like others with A. Correct option is D. 4. How do you maintain good association with such a colleague who is clear in heart but very aggressive in behavior? So here correct option is B. You maintain relations, but whenever he cools down, tell him his mistakes politely. 5. Would you like to prefer to join a teaching profession? A. By giving bribery for your appointment in village or town school. A. B. By exalting your excellence in national level competition. C. By any means that job conditions are very difficult. D. By seeking political support. Correct option is B. By exalting your excellence in national level competition. 6. If a teacher requests you to do a favor in a girl student's evaluation, what would you like to do in this situation? A. You will teach him a moral lesson against injustice. B. You will scold him that he is a wicked fellow as he loses the sanctity of evaluation. C. You will remind him the grace and morality of being a teacher. D. You will evaluate the answer book honestly and give marks accordingly. The correct option is D. You will evaluate the answer book honestly and give marks accordingly. 7. How do you solve the problem of a child if he takes extra interest in late night films on TV? The correct option is B. By convincing him that late night films are not useful for young children. 8. You are traveling in a far off places of India through advanced railways reservation. When a lady enters with a request to give her a seat, what will be your reaction? A. You refute flatly that you cannot share the seat. B. You give a second thought if the lady is young and beautiful. C. Will ask her to sit for some time. Or D. Will you will leave your seat and make alternative arrangement for yourself. Correct option is C here. You will ask her to sit for some time. 9. In a society, what type of role do you feel for yourself to resurrect values in it? A. Effective. B. Ineffective. C. Normal. Or D. Nothing to contribute. The correct option is A. Effective. 10. How do you accommodate with your age-old parents in spite of the fact that they always complain for their difficulties of no apparent reasons? Correct option C. You will focus your attention on the genuine problems due to senility. 11. When your exercises his powers, when your exercises his powers with an attitude of malice, how do you avoid confrontation under this condition? A. You become furious but crumble down your emotions due to the superiority of the person. B. You think to kill him to revenge. C. You imagine that God must give him punishment for his untrue act. D. You keep promise not to surrender against the wickedness. Correct option is D. You keep promise not to surrender against the wickedness. 12. When a coworker is blessed with a son and he desires some financial assistance from you, then how do you extend your cooperation to him? Correct option is B. Here you extend all types of support as you have intimate relations. 13. How do you behave with students' parents on the eve of parent-teacher association being observed in the school? Correct option is B here, nicely. So the parents can feel satisfied that the teacher has given due care. 14. You are being pressurized by your colleagues to take the membership of the teachers union. How could you take decision in this situation? A. You will give priority to social relations, therefore you accept the offer. B. You will have faith in unity, so you accept the membership. C. You will think it is better to disaffiliate yourself from the colleagues instead of enmity with the management. D. You will try best to go against their will by hook or crook. Here, correct option is B. You will have faith in unity so that you accept the members. 15. If somebody is maltreating the aged persons, what action would you like to take against the individual? The correct option is B. You will request him to stop the maltreatment. 16. When a coworker gives you mental shock, then what will you do? A. You will develop enmity with him. B. You will wait for your turn to put him in the same state. C. You will fight in a decent manner. D. You think do good and forget it. Correct option is B. You will wait for your turn to put him in the same state. 17. In contemporary society with deteriorating values, the excellent education will be that which, correct option is A, work for re-establishment of humanitarian and cultural values. B, enables to earn in an easy manner. C, exaggerates the competition in the society. Or D, accelerates the social change in society. Correct option is A, works for re-establishment of humanitarian and cultural values. 18. When you met an accident with the bicycle of a tiny school going child, then what will you do? Correct option is D here. You will accept your mistake and extend wholehearted support to the young child. 19. When the Mohalla Summit asks you to donate some money for the repairing works of handpipe in the vicinity, then what will you do? A. You will not contribute as it has no utility for you. B. You will contribute according to your will in a selfless manner. C. You will find faults in the committee and its collections. D. You will pay some money in order to warn them not to pay visit in future. Correct option is B. You will contribute according to your will in a selfless manner. 20. If a friend uh, instigates you to participate actively in the strike but you disagree with them, then how will you react in this situation? Correct option is C here. You first do your duties, then something else. 13. If you get an opportunity to serve a central school, but in turn you miss the opportunity to enjoy your hometown, how do you accommodate in these conditions? A. You will think yourself lucky through that you got an opportunity to mix up with the people of different states. B. You will never forget your hometown and for this for this curse you central school services. You will feel free as having least family resistance and obligations. D. You will have great pride in thinking yourself a powerful link in national integration. Correct option is A. You will think yourself lucky enough to that you got an opportunity to mix up with the people of different states. 22. You became aggressive on those parental issues which you feel inadequate because A. It has heavy impact on your brain and creates obstacles in your life. B. You have lost sympathy in their inappropriate behavior. C. You cannot rationalize their thinking. D. You have developed the negative attitude. So correct option is B. You have lost sympathy in their inappropriate behavior. 20. What will you do in case of a sudden death occur at the place of your friend? So correct option is C here. You rush immediately at such occasions. 24. You will demonstrate your impartial behavior through A. Maintaining your own high self-esteem and egoistic behavior. B. Criticizing the teachers community as a whole. C. Assaulting teachers in the midst of students. Or D. Making your own behavior more balanced and fair. Correct option is D. Making your own behavior more balanced and fair. 25. If a colleague belongs to the minority group but quite progressive in views, the basis of maintenance of healthy relations will be the realization that, correct option is D here, the hard work he has done to achieve the status. 26. Whenever you give an order for tea in staff room, then you remember A. Minimum expenses, B. More members and lesser number of tea, C. Health of the colleagues, or D. The total number of people. Correct option is C. Health of colleagues. 27. If you live on rent in your friend's house, it will be perceived by you as A. Sacrifice of mutual relations, B. Development of more warmth in relations, C. Exposure of personal weakness and end of relations, or D. Meeting with good coworker and compete from home to school. Correct option is D here. 28. If you invite your colleagues in your marriage ceremony, the procedure of it will be A. Only personal invitation will be extended to most dear colleague. B. Only a specific group of teachers will be invited. C. Extend invitation to all the teachers without any distinction. D. You will invite all the personnel of the school. So the correct option is C. Extend invitation to all the teachers without any distinction. 29. How do you like to behave with your students in comparison to your children? A. Just like own children. B. Equal treatment is not possible to all the students. C. Repress the treatment. D. It is better to lend them a free hand. So correct option is A here, just like own children. 30. When you deal with others, you expect that A. They deal according to your nature in order to get your appreciation. B. You restore only superficial dealings, otherwise it becomes a sad affair of relations. C. You estimate others with reference to your own behavior. Or D. You do not develop deep intimacy. The correct option is C. You estimate others with reference to your own behavior. This is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.